What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT in 2025 from start to finish. Alright, you know that I've been watching so many other YouTubers talking about how they make a lot of money using ChatGPT and also how they use ChatGPT to create animation video, from writing video script or writing SEO article. And to be honest, I think they are so fake and they're just trying to boast about themselves, about how they can make a lot of money and ask you or gain your attention to ask you to join their online course. I see very few people talking about how to use ChatGPT from start to finish. It is a kind of tutorial for beginner who don't know ChatGPT or who don't know about chatbot. So that's why I decided to make this video. Added to that, I know that ChatGPT is now very different in comparison with the first version of ChatGPT. At that time, ChatGPT is only capable of answering your question, interact with your question and summarize things, stuff like that, and also the database is outdated. But now ChatGPT has so many functions. For example, it has real-time search, so it is similar to Google search now. You can search real-time in 2025. Added to that, it has the think function where you can brainstorming about complicated topic, and you can also interact with ChatGPT in real time using live chat. Yeah, I'm thinking of coding a new website. So yeah, I'm trying to sell something. So can you help me with that?
That sounds exciting. I'd love to help you with building your website and getting your product out there. What are you planning to sell? Do you have any specific ideas for your website, like design, features, or platforms you want to use?
So it is a lot different in comparison with the first version of ChatGPT. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, from start to finish. So this is a tutorial for beginner who want to use ChatGPT. Alright, good point, right? By the way, let's meet the sponsor of this video first.
This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning authoring tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description, and remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
Okay, so first thing first, if you want to use ChatGPT, you need to have a Google account or you have to register an account with OpenAI. So let's go to chat.openai.com, okay, to register an account. By the way, I already have an account because I use it almost daily. So this is my account. You want to just sign up and confirm your email address, stuff like that. It is very simple. Okay, and now you have the interface like this. So first up on the right side, you have your account center. Okay, just click here and we have some more settings. If you want to set up your language and also the theme of your ChatGPT. For example, we can go to setting and here we can select the theme for our ChatGPT. This is light theme or system theme. So we can select dark theme, for example, a black background like this. Okay, so we can select a dark theme like this. So this is just the first setting. By the way, you have more setting here. For example, personalization. It is something that if you enable the memory, ChatGPT will remember what you are talking to them or remember the history of your conversation. So it is important because it can be customized for your need or your personal thing. Okay, and the next thing is the speech, because now in 2025 you can interact with ChatGPT via audio. So we can select speak here. So they have voice here and we can select different voice. Vowler, Maple, Arbor, Solar, Breeze, stuff like that. But normally I will stick with Juniper, so the default one. Okay, we can play to hear the voice. And for the main language, you can select your language. Like what I'm talking now is English. By the way, my native language is Vietnamese, so I can select it from here. So we have Vietnamese down here. If I want to interact with ChatGPT via Vietnamese language, by the way, I prefer English, so I will stick with auto detect. And the next thing is the data control. If you want to export your data or delete your account, you can do it right here. So it is more setting. Okay, so build a profile. I never touched this one. By the way, you can add social media to this ChatGPT, okay, and connect it up. This is important because if you want to interact with other applications like Google Drive, Google Sheet, or Google Doc, you have to connect it right here. So connect apps. Here we have Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive and OneDrive, so we can connect, where you have to give permission to ChatGPT to access your Google Drive. But I never do that because I already give permission to Gemini to access my Google Drive. And if you want to enable the security for your account, you can click here at the security. So it has multi-factor authentication also. You need to enable it, and you can lock out all of your device or lock out all the device. So this is your ChatGPT setting. Normally you need to take control of this setting first, okay, before using ChatGPT. All right, so let's close this one. So this is the account center. So go with the setting, and if you want to upgrade to Pro plan or Plus plan, you can do it here also, because now I'm using a free plan. ChatGPT has different plan, okay, free plan, Pro plan, and team plan, and also Plus plan. So if you want to upgrade, you want to click here at the upgrade plan. And now I'm at free plan, so $0 per month. And this one plus $20 per month. And for Pro, you have to pay $200 per month. And you have many things like latest model and access to O1 Pro mode and extended access to Sora video generation. So this is the video generation. By the way, I'm using free one, so I don't have the option to generate video from Sora. Okay, so this is the plan for personal, and they have business here, $25 per month for business, but we will stick with personal. Okay, so just close this one. So this is the account center. You need to double check this one after you sign up an account with ChatGPT. All right, and moving to the left side. On the left side, we have another button here to upgrade the plan. By the way, we don't want to take care of this one. So this is the sidebar button to open and close the sidebar. So we have the sidebar like this. We want to close it to have a bigger window, or we can just open it to have this window, okay? And down here, you have the ChatGPT. You can click here to go with the new chat, or we can click this button, Explore GPT. I mean, other application or other tools to connect with ChatGPT. Maybe some other company, they use the API from OpenAI to create an application, and you can try it. For example, we can click here, Explore GPT. So they have Expedia, Video AI, and AI PDF Drive, many things. Okay, website generator also, image generator, Scholar GPT, and Dani by ChatGPT, data analyst, many things. Okay, so they are the application that is connected to ChatGPT, and they use API from OpenAI. So you can double check here for writing and for productivity, research and analysis, education and lifestyle and programming, stuff like that. So you just click this button, Explore GPT. Okay, by the way, we can just click here at the ChatGPT and go with the new chat if you are just beginner. All right, and down here you have the history. So these are the conversation. If you want to come back to another conversation or a previous conversation with ChatGPT, you can click here. For example, country supporting nation or stuff like that, or CAMTASIA versus other software, or proofreading assistant request, and something like this. So this is my history for this account. And be mentioned that I have multiple accounts, ChatGPT, okay, because all of them are free. Okay, so this is the history. And you can click this three dot button to delete or share or rename or archive the history also. Okay, and here you have an option to search the history if you want. Okay, because if you have many chat or many conversation here, you don't know where to find it, so you can just go ahead to search for it. And this is a new chat button. Okay, and this is a model. So when using ChatGPT for free, we have an option here. Just click this drop down menu, and we have ChatGPT, great for everyday tasks, and it is free. And we have another option here, ChatGPT Plus with a paid plan. You see the plan, right? and we need to upgrade to use it. So right now we can only use ChatGPT. This is the free model. Okay, so this is the model, and we have a new chat button here. Okay, just go with a new chat, and we can see another thing at the center. What can I help with? And now we can ask anything. Okay, so down here we have some more button or more function of ChatGPT. The first one is this ask box or the question box. If you want to ask ChatGPT anything, you can just type it here. Okay, for example, I can add this to explain about computer. Okay, and I can press enter. Okay, so this is just a simple question asking ChatGPT to explain about computer, and it will generate the answer for me. So you see that it is fast because we didn't touch anything here, reason or search. We just add normal ChatGPT. So this is how we interact or how we ask ChatGPT to give an answer to our question. Okay, and after we get the answer, we have some button here. We can like the answer, we can dislike, and we can copy the answer, and we can read it out loud. So we can click this speaker icon. It will read out loud using the default voice. Okay, and we can edit in Canvas. So this is a new thing. If you want to edit the answer, we can just click here to edit the answer. Okay, so this is the Canvas where we can edit the answer. Okay, so hello, I can type hello, something like that. So we can edit the answer of ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the Canvas, and we can close it to go back to the previous. Okay, so don't save and close. Okay, and right here we have a very important button, which is the switching model. So this is the response or the answer from ChatGPT 4.0, which is the fastest model, and it is good for everyday conversation. By the way, they have more in-depth model, that is O3 mini. So we have different model here. For example, we can go with O3 mini. It is fast and advanced reasoning. So reasoning is something like the AI will think about the question, and they will put it in different situation or different scenario to give you the correct answer. So it is similar to many other chatbots right now. DeepSeek, Gemini, LeChat, and Grok, all of them has reasoning option. So we can go with O3 mini for reasoning also. For example, I can click here and we will see the reasoning. So we will refresh the answer. Okay, so reasoning is planning a computer. It will tell us what it thinks or what it is thinking, or okay, so user request, stuff like that. But it is reasoning for about 13 seconds because I think this is a simple question, so it will not take so much time to reasoning for it to reasoning. So we have the same button here. So remember, we have a button here to switch the model. So this is the most simple way to interact with ChatGPT. By the way, we have more button down here, so I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, for example, we have the search the web button. If we turn it on, then it will search the web live on the web. I mean, the database is updated to 2025. Previously, the ChatGPT database is limited to 2021, so it is very limited. But now they connect with the server, so it is live now. For example, I can turn on the search the web. So now I can search the web for anything, any happening action. For example, we have a very noisy conversation between President Zelensky and Donald Trump, right? So we can see the search for what is the conversation at the White House about. Okay, sorry. So maybe some wrong grammar or stuff like that, but we can search and we see if it is up to date. It is in February 2025. Okay, so we can press enter to get the answer. And searching the web, okay, so it said on February 28, 2025, Ukrainian President Zelensky met with the US President Donald Trump. So it is up to date, right? And the discussion began with, and also the exchange escalated when Vice President Vance accused Zelensky of being disrespectful and ungrateful for US support. So you see that it is up to date. So it is live in 2025. So this is another thing that I may think that ChatGPT or other chatbot will replace Google in the future, in near future. Okay, so we will use chatbot to search on the web and to get the answer on the web. Okay, so and also they will show us some resources here, theguardians.com and newyorkpost.com. Okay, reuters.com. If we want to see more, so this is the source, and we have more button here. So this is the search the web button. If you want to search the web and with live data, you want to turn it on. Okay, so another thing about reasoning or reason is think before responding. So this is another button. For example, we can turn on the reason, but maybe I can start a new chat. Okay, so go with the new chat. So I'm going to ask it another topic which is more complicated for ChatGPT. For example, make a report about AI in the technology progress in near future. Okay, so it is a little bit more complicated, and we can ask it to reason or reasoning. So ask it to think about the answer carefully. Okay, and we can press enter, and now it will reason or it will think for maybe a lot of time. Some complicated topic, it take about 1 or 2 minutes to reason, but now okay, 30 seconds. Report on AI technology progress in near future. Okay, so it has an executive summary, introduction, current trends and recent breakthrough, scaling, so many things. Okay, so yeah, I'm very happy with the report. Okay, by the way, I need to double check the information inside, but the format of the report is very good. Okay, finance, data, privacy and security. Conclusion, outlines the multiple. Okay, so that is the reasoning. If you want to turn it on or turn it off, you can turn it right here. Okay, and next up, you want to use ChatGPT for analyzing an image or a file. You have another plus button here next to the search button. Okay, upload file and more. So you click here, we have some option here, connect your Google Drive or connect your Microsoft OneDrive. So I never connect the Drive because I already give permission to Gemini. So I don't want to have more permission to my database because maybe a little bit afraid of security. Okay, so but I can upload from my computer. I can click here to upload an image. For example, I can upload an image of me. I will upload an image of a girl I generated with Leonardo AI. Okay, so click open. Okay, so ask anything. When we upload an image, we have to ask ChatGPT to ask it to do something. For example, analyze the image and let me know what you see. So I will type here in detail. Okay, and we can press enter if we reason it, or we can disable the reason button, but we can press enter. Okay, so now obviously I have a beautiful woman in red dress, right, in an image like this. The image shows a young woman in a stunning red gown standing in the middle of a lively street. The dress is elegant, flowing, and wow, so perfect. It's perfect. The background features a bustling urban street. So it describes correctly the image. Okay, a woman like this. So this is a woman, beautiful woman in red dress, and also bustling street here. And I also try with some text and image, and it can do well. It can analyze the text inside an image, okay, a PNG image. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to analyze your image. Okay, so hopefully it is helpful for you. And finally, if you want to interact with ChatGPT using your voice like this, you can enable voice mode. So use voice mode. It is similar to Gemini and other chatbot because now it is live, so we can make a conversation with the chatbot. So I will turn it on right now. Okay, so sneak a peek at advanced voice mode. I can click continue. So choose a voice. So I would choose the
Hey
default
there.
one.
I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Okay, start a new chat and allow it to use my microphone. Hey. Hi, ChatGPT.
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Okay, I'm fine, thank you. So today I want to have a conversation with you. So can you describe what you can do in ChatGPT in 2025?
In 2025, I can help with a lot of things. I can answer questions, provide explanations on various topics, assist with learning new information, offer recommendations, and much more. Whether you need help with a specific problem, want to chat about a topic, or just need some advice, I'm here for you. What would you like to talk about today?
Okay, so I didn't see the image generation in the chat box. Can you generate image from prompt?
I can't generate images directly from prompts, but I can certainly help describe or provide information about images or visual concepts. If you have any other questions or need help with something else, feel free to let me know.
Okay, so can you generate an image directly from the voice order here? For example, I want to generate an image of a beautiful woman standing in the middle of the street in red dress, and she is crying.
I understand your request, but I can't create or generate images. However, if you have any other questions or need assistance with something else, feel free to let me know.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so this is how we can interact with ChatGPT via our voice. Very nice, right? And I tried with different chatbot, and to be honest, it is a great one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to generate an image using ChatGPT, because we have many other functions. By the way, we can click here to create a new chat box, and we can ask it to generate. Okay, so we can press enter, and now it will generate an image for us. You know, ChatGPT can generate image for us even with the free version. By the way, there are some limitation. Okay, maybe you can generate about up to 20 or 25 images per day. Okay, and this is the image standing in front of in the middle of the street. So this is a simple prompt, and she's crying. And now we can download the image to our computer. Okay, and it can help you brainstorming and summarizing and also translating things, stuff like that. But all you need to do is to type here. For example, if you want to translate something, just translate this into your language, like Vietnamese, and let's say hello, I love you. So in Vietnamese it means xin chào, tôi yêu bạn. So I can press enter. So it is translate xin chào, tôi yêu bạn. That's easy, right? If we want to translate anything, we just ask it to translate. If we want to summarize something, it's ask it to summarize. And if we want to ask ChatGPT to write something, then we just give the prompt. So at this chat box. Okay, and you can try it yourself. It is simple. Okay, so I think that's enough for today's video. I hope it is helpful for you, so you know how to use ChatGPT for beginner. Okay, if you have any question about this chatbot, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you think the video is helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.